Welcome to our 219 summary. These are all the highlights of our trip around America from Houston to Alaska and back down to Texas. I hope you enjoy it. On our way down to Sydney, we've just stopped at the Quickie Mart there to get some water. We're at a spectacular viewpoint. We're heading down the escarpment. Mexico's in the background. There's a beautiful canyon probably behind me. All you can hear is the birds. It's wonderful this morning. Driving through Big Bend National Park, we've just passed the Chisos Mountains where we were yesterday. We're now heading for Terlingua, which is a ghost town, cowboy ghost town. We are currently walking along the Virgin River, heading down the valley back towards the campsite. It's been raining for 2 days, so we had an indoor day, which was okay, and now we're heading out to have a walk along the river walk. It's really nice. Good morning. We're in Ely, Nevada. Yes, I've had a shave. Listen to that. We've just come into our apartment at Old Town in Florence, and after living for 15 weeks in a trailer, look at this, and just keep walking round. That's the kitchen. Holy dooly. What is it? 60 degrees. Restaurant, electric bike, bakery, cafe. I'm loving that. Plenty to watch.
There's an oyster bar across the road.
Oh. Hi, good morning. We're in Bend, Oregon. We just had a lovely breakfast, and we're on the Deschutes River in the Old Mill District, which they've transformed into cafes and a boardwalk. Hi, we've had a raining morning. We've left Oregon and we're traveling, we're now in Idaho, very excited, and we've had a bit of a left, right, and we're heading into a place called Stanley, which is up at about 6,500 feet. Good morning. We are at Craters of the Moon State Park in southern Idaho. This is Leanne, the cave explorer. We made it to the top of the cinder block cone, and it's blowing a hoolie, and it's bloody cold. Good morning. We're at the Mount Moran turnout in the Grand Tetons National Park. We went down to see if we could see Mama Bear and the two-year-old cubs. They weren't there this morning. That's fine. We're going for a drive. We're doing the Moose Wilson back road. We're just entering the Bighorn National Forest. We've just left a little town called Shell, across Shell Creek, and the flashing light tells me to beware of rock falls. I don't I guess when Lee does her clever editing, you'll be able to find out why we're going through a very narrow valley. Good morning. All night. You hear that? It's a lovely campground. It's neat and tidy. Very lovely people. It's about 15 minutes from Custer's Battlefield. Good morning. We did the Custer Battlefield and Memorial yesterday, and today we're in Wyoming. We're south of Sheridan. This is Fish Lake, Glacier National Park, Montana. We arrived yesterday, day before. So this is Terry and Ken, and they're our lovely neighbours, and they've just been the absolutely bestest
we
camp buddies we've got.
We love you guys.
So that's the first part of our two-part adventure, 2019, where we journeyed from Houston up to the border of Canada and America. Join us on the second episode, where we travel across Canada, Alaska, and then make our way back down south through the lower 48 to our home state of Texas. And again, if you like what we're doing here, please join us for our 2020 year, which is going to be fabulous. We're very excited. We're going to head ultimately in the summer period for the South and North Dakotas. If you like what we're doing, please consider liking, subscribe. Any comments, anything you would like to know about Leanne and myself and how we got here and how this crazy adventure is unfolding, please feel free to leave a comment.